Hello there. Could you be looking for ways to make that extra coin? In this particular lesson, I've compiled 10 best tested ideas which can help you to start earning more money. You could maybe be a student, your guardians giving you as much as you could be wish to have, or maybe you're employed as a part-time employee or even full-time. So in this particular lesson, I'm going to look at some of the best ideas maybe you can apply, and they include this one. Number one, maybe you can take survey online. Number two, you can also become a freelancer, and also you can also invest in a robo-advisor. Number four, you can invest in a real estate. Number five, you can invest with a broker. Number six, you can become a virtual assistant. Number seven, you can sell or even rent your belongings which you are not using at the moment. Number eight, you can get a cashback on credit card. Number nine, you can download money making apps. And lastly, number 10, you can create your blog. I'm going to look at each individual way, take you step by step until maybe you can specialize with one area or more than one area. So let's get back to our first number one. We have maybe you can take a survey. There are variety of maybe sites you can take a survey with. For example, we have this one, the swagback. You can sign up with them, and with the swagback they can allow you to earn points and then you redeem them for a gift cards. You earn points by shopping through their portal, filling out survey, watching video, among other things. The best part of this is that you must do a free sign up. They are currently giving you a $10 for every sign up. Is that not cool? So apart from doing the survey online, you can also specialize with doing the freelancing. So some of the part you can engage with in the freelancing include maybe teaching people online, maybe different languages, or maybe calculation on mathematics and those things involved in maybe in the education. You can also do small tasks to some people, maybe taking furniture from one point to another. Some of the site maybe you can maybe sign up with, maybe you can sign up with the favor. Just a few steps, your account will be approved. Or on my side, mostly I work with the Upwork. I find it a little bit easier to work with compared to other writing sites. So in the Upwork, maybe you can see what I've been able to earn for the last few days I've been working with them. You can check out my hourly rate, the total amount of money earned, the jobs done already, and the number of hours worked through. Then down there, maybe you can see some of the feedback I've been receiving from the clients I've been working with. So you have to make sure that your standards are up, so that the client is happy, and happy clients eventually will give you another new gig. So apart from the last two, you can also invest with the robo-advisor. The robo-advisor puts your investment on a autopilot. With many robo-advisor, all you have to do is to choose your risk, your goals, and fund your accounts. The robo-advisor will take care of the rest. And some of the site maybe you can come up with maybe to do the rest include maybe the betterment. All you need to do is just to sign up with them, and then they will take care of all your other needs. Or you can also sign up with the M1 Finance to do you all these issues with money. So in my next clip, I'm going to look at the investment in real estates and investment with the brokers, how to become a virtual citizens, how to sell or rent your belongings, how to get cash back on credit cards, how to download money making apps, and how to create a blog. So don't forget to comment, to share, and also to subscribe, so that for every new clip I make, it will be available for you at the release date. Thank you.